review. Here's what it's look like. Very cute. Very slick. It is beautiful. It's been roughly about 6 to 7 hours since I washed my hair, so we're going to do the ponytail now. So my hair is somewhat dry. It's not 100% dry, so let's get this done. Okay, we are going to use Eco Styler gel, and then we're going to use these crunchies. They don't have, like, you know how they don't have like the rubber thing in the middle, which is just good for your hair, so it won't rip your hair out. So we're going to do the back part first. Not too tight. And I'm gonna put one at the end so it can get the hair out of the way. Start with the front.
hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the summer sky.
Make sure you adjust that back because you don't want it to feel too tight. You can't go like this. If you're going like this, it hurts. Just go like this a little bit so you can release it. Okay, but this is so comfortable that I can remember we're not taking it out every night. We are going to keep that out for the whole week. Just push back, push, release. Put it in two sections. And I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Gonna use a bobby pin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Okay. Do the same for this one.
Rise like
Big flat twisted.
buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun,
And we're gonna
as she puts her hand in
hold
mine.
it around.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light,
My
pull
bobby pin
the
here.
sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're
Alright, come up.
gonna be
Lay a little bit more if you need to. Stop. Just to tie it for, I would say about 10 to 15 minutes. You can use this time to do your makeup if you wear makeup or skincare routine. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, actually more than 15 minutes. Here's the big reveal. Here is what it's look like. Very cute, very slick. It is beautiful. I'm gonna put some earrings on because I am going out. Okay, so okay, this is it. This is my style for the next 4 days. Alright, I will keep you guys posted how I'm doing during the week. But I done this style before. I know it's gonna last for the whole week. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Bye.